my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video, I am bringing you another fun Walmart clothing haul. I found some really cute things recently on a couple of trips to Walmart, as well as some things that I found online. I have talked to you guys so many times about how much I love Walmart clothes. I am still on a weight loss journey, and I am down 60 plus pounds, and I'm constantly having to buy smaller jeans, smaller clothes. And so I don't want to spend a ton of money on new items because I know they're only going to fit for a month or so, and then I'm going to need to go down a size. And so I'm trying very hard to be mindful of that. And Walmart allows for me to buy super cute clothes at a really affordable price where I don't feel bad buying a smaller size. Perfect example are my favorite jeans that I have ever bought from Walmart. They're so cute. I show them all the time, and a lot of times they show low stock, but I know you guys have been able to find them in your area or like at a local store. But I started off in those jeans in a size 18, and I now wear a size 14, and I am very, very close to a size 12. And so it's just nice to be able to buy new clothes and, you know, buy them regularly as I'm going down in size. And don't sleep on Walmart, you guys. Their clothes are super cute. Their quality, I feel, just keeps getting better. They have a line called Free Assembly, I believe, and their items are super duper cute. The Sophia Vergara line is really cute. Their Time and True line is very cute. They just have a lot of nice clothes. And again, I don't feel bad buying regularly because they're so affordable. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, ClickUp. ClickUp is a project management software company that provides an all-in-one platform to improve workplace efficiency and collaboration. The platform includes tasks, chat, whiteboards, spreadsheets, and document collaboration on a unified platform to be used by you and those on your team. ClickUp brings teams closer together with connected workflows, docs, real-time dashboards, and more, helping everyone move faster, work smarter, and save time. Using ClickUp's features, I can brainstorm video ideas, I can map videos out, I can put them on a calendar, and I can also use detailed tasks. The task management is by far my favorite aspect of ClickUp. When I create a task on ClickUp, I can get as detailed as I need to be. I can create due dates, I can attach content briefs, I can put links in there, I can also delegate and include other people on that task. It's wonderful. And when I log in and I see my dashboard, my task list is right there in front of me, as well as my calendar, and it's easy for me to just click on something and everything I need is right there. Let ClickUp help you get more done. You can try ClickUp yourself by going to tryclickup.co/Charlotte Grove and use code YouTube to sign up for free. And if you love it as much as I think you are going to, you can use that same code YouTube to get 20% off your upgrade. I have loved using ClickUp to level up my content creation, and I cannot thank them enough for sponsoring today's video. As I'm turning on this camera, two things are happening. One is I'm realizing I'm losing sunlight, so we're gonna have to do this quickly. And two, I'm realizing I probably should have steamed everything before I turned on the camera, but I didn't. So this is gonna kind of act as both like a try-on haul, but I should steam everything. I haven't worn a lot of these items yet. Like this, I haven't worn yet. I just recently got it. And now I'm actually feeling like I should have gone down a size. And I literally just tore off the tag, but that's okay. This is a really cute denim top from Sophia Vergara, and it goes down in the back. So I have it paired with just a pair of leggings. And I think this would look really cute. Right now I have it with my slippers, but I think this would be cute with like riding boots. It would also be cute with, I have a pair of Target boots, but I could also just pair this with, you know, my Hokas and call it a day. But I love it. I love denim, and I think this is super, super cute and very, very flattering. And I'm kind of wishing I had gone down a size. Kind of feeling like maybe it's just a little bit too big, but still super, super cute. Okay, I shared this shacket while on vacation in Florida. This was a find while in Florida. It's actually covered in cat hair because I've been snuggling them so much since we got back. But it is this beautiful gray waffle knit shacket that I am just wearing buttoned up like a shirt because that's how I prefer it. This is in a size medium. They do run a little bit big. They're meant to be a shacket, so wearing it over something else. I wore this, you guys, with my red and white striped sweatshirt from Amazon while at Disney, and I wore this very comfortably over that sweatshirt and I was perfectly fine. So they are oversized. So if you want it to fit nicely but not be like too big, I would definitely size down. I would say that normally I would wear a large, but I went down to a medium. Anything oversized like this, I'm going down to a medium because I am finding that if it's too oversized, it just does not look as flattering. And so definitely went with the medium. I have this bottom button unbuttoned, but you can button that up and it just looks really cute. I did pair it with like a striped shirt underneath when I wore it in Florida and it just looked really, really cute. But I loved this so much, you guys. I bought it in 2 colors. Let me show you the other one. So I also snagged it in this really pretty blue color. It's like a dusty blue, almost looks denim. It's very similar to an Ari one that I just recently picked up and very, very cute. This again is a size medium. So if you wanted it to be a little bit bigger, you could go a little bit, larger. I just went with a medium. I didn't want it to be too oversized. You can open it up and wear it open, which would look really, really cute with some of the other things that I'm going to show you, but I really like it. And I like it like this. I like it closed up like this. Very, very cute. And I've decided I need to find a pair of shoes that look like my slippers, my moccasins. These are from L.O. Bean. I've talked about these. I'm obsessed with these and I love the way that they look. So I've decided I need to find a moccasin. I know a lot of people wear theirs outside and I can see why and wear them like as a cute shoe because they're so cute. But I just have this paired with my favorite pair of Amazon leggings. I'll link those for you down below as well, but super cute. Love the blue too. Okay. I put those same jeans back on. These are also from Walmart. I will have these linked for you down below. I'm wearing a size 14. And for reference, I'm about 202 pounds and 5'3". I do have them cuffed, but I cuff everything. And they're very, very comfortable, very, very cute. They are loose and very forgiving, and I really, really like them. But this sweater, I've shown these before. The sweater is what I'm showcasing right now. The sweater is from Free Assembly. As I told you guys, it is this beautiful like red coral color. This is like my color right now, you guys. I don't know what it is about this color. I just feel like this color is so very pretty. It's got this gorgeous like rim along the bottom. And I did order it large. So this is an extra large because it is short. I had it folded, as you can see, because I brought this with me to Florida. But I just love this sweater. It is so cute. It is short, so make sure that you get it, like size up because of how short it is. I like a little bit of a front tuck. I just think like that looks really, really cute. I can't look in the mirror, you guys, when I'm filming this because I just noticed the camera was all wonky, but absolutely love this. I love the neckline. It's got this like rolled neckline, if you can see that. And it's so comfortable. I wore it to work. I got a ton of compliments. The color is fantastic. And I just think it's so pretty. You can dress it up, dress it down, and it's great. So absolutely love this. Extremely affordable. And I will try when I'm editing this video to put the prices of things on the screen. That's something I'm really bad at. But everything will be linked for you down below. And I love this sweater. Probably one of my absolute favorite finds. Okay, we're doing a little bit of a mashup here. I'm not sure how I feel yet about the pants. I picked up these wide leg white pants from Walmart and also this cute pink top. It's super wrinkly. I need to iron everything, but this is actually a plus size. So it's in a 0X. I kind of like that it's longer like that. And I paired it with this cute denim top that I picked up at Target while we were in Florida. I actually wore this to Disney. It's so comfortable. And I paired them with these cute new shoes that I picked up from Walmart. I wasn't sure how I felt about them, but Danny said they're cute, and I feel like they're a little bit dressier, so they're cute for like, you know, dresses or whatever. I don't know, they're cute. We'll see. I don't really love the pant. I think they're not very flattering on me, so these are probably going to be a return. I just bought these online, but I do like the shirt. Let me take off this. Okay, I took off the denim. I'm not sure about these white pants, you guys. I just feel like they're not as flattering on me. I think you need to have like a really skinny leg for these. I don't know. I'm not really feeling these. Let me know what you think down below, but I don't think that they are for me. These will probably be a return, but the shirt I definitely love. I love the color. They'd be cute with leggings and great for spring. Definitely don't love the pants. Okay, the last item that I want to show you is this t-shirt dress that I picked up from Walmart. It's got a little tie. It does have like t-shirt sleeves. I have it paired with that little denim shacket or t-shirt, I don't know what you want to call it, from Target. And you guys, I love this. Without it, I don't love it because the pockets, I feel like they just kind of like where they're located. I don't know if it just is the right look. I love stripes, you guys. I know that some people feel like stripes are not very flattering, but I absolutely adore stripes. I think that they're so cute. They're very classic and I love them. So I love this. But I like it better paired with the little jacket. It is black and white. It is extremely soft. It is like a t-shirt material. It does have a little bit of a slit going on there, but this is so cute, you guys. I would wear this to work. I would wear this like to the farmer's market on a Saturday. I just think it is very, very cute, extremely comfortable, very flattering. And I really, really like it. I like that there's pockets. I think I would prefer for there not to be pockets because I think that would be just a nice smoother transition right there if there weren't pockets, but paired with a denim jacket, like you can't even tell. And this is so cute. Pair those with a cute pair of tennies. And I'm going to go walk around Newport, Rhode Island for the day and, you know, feel like a yachty and feel like a total New Englander. Like this is so cute. I love this dress. This is like unbelievably comfortable. I can't even tell you. Okay, my friends, that's gonna do it for this Walmart try-on haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. I would say everything was a hit except for those white pants, and I hadn't tried them on yet. Those I ordered online. I think they're cute. I just don't think they're cute on me. I saw so many other people online try them on and they looked great. They just didn't look great on me. So that's okay. We'll return those and, you know, that's all right. Not everything is made for us, but this t-shirt dress by far is my favorite item that I got. Like I said, I'm ready for the spring here in New England. Love a t-shirt, a stripe, like so cute. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have everything linked for you down in the description box below. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I, of course, want to thank ClickUp again for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I can't tell you how instrumental this platform has been for me and my content creation business. And to make sure you try it for yourself, go to tryclickup.co/Charlotte Grove and use the code YouTube for a free sign up and for 20% off if you decide to upgrade. And make sure you're subscribed. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful week, my friends. Take care.